Welcome to EmPOWER, an iLearning series for students. In this video, we will show you some tips and tricks for getting started with your iPad.
Let's start with the home screen. Your iPad comes preloaded with several apps. These are known as native apps and include Camera, Photos, Photo Booth, Clock, Contacts, App Store, and Safari. There are also several apps provided by the district, including AirWatch Agent, MIC PowerUp Catalog, and blacklisted apps. Most likely, you'll want to customize your home screen to fit your needs. Some of these apps you'll use often and some not at all. You'll want to store the most frequently used apps in your dock at the bottom. The dock can contain up to 6 apps. To move an app to the dock, simply hold down any app until they start shaking, and then drag the apps you want down to the dock, and drag the apps you don't want off. You can also create folders while the apps are shaking. Simply drag an app on top of another to create the folder. Based on the type of apps you combined, a default name will appear. You can hit the X to delete that name and type in your own custom name. To delete an app off your iPad, simply tap the X at the top left of the app icon and tap Delete to confirm deletion. Native apps cannot be deleted, and MIC-issued apps should not be deleted. Doing so will result in disciplinary action and/or confiscation of the iPad. Once you have the apps organized as you like, tap the Home button to return to normal.
Next, let's talk about navigating your iPad. The Spotlight search allows you to search by keyword for apps, email, or content on the web. It can be accessed in 2 ways, by swiping right on the home screen or by swiping down from anywhere in the middle of the screen. By swiping down, you only get the search features and Siri app suggestions. By swiping right on your home screen, you will also get customizable widgets. When you swipe down from the very top, you'll get notifications. This includes calendar events and push notifications from apps. When you swipe up from the bottom, the Control Center will pop up. This is where you can adjust screen brightness, volume, toggle between Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and airplane mode, and quickly access the camera and timer.
Let's quickly talk about gestures. When you have multiple apps open, a 4-finger swipe left and right will allow you to quickly switch between the open apps. You can exit an app and return to the home screen by pressing the Home button or by doing a 4 or 5-finger pinch. Sometimes having too many apps open can slow down your iPad. To see which apps are open, double tap the Home button to access the Multitasking Manager. To close apps so they are not running in the background, swipe up on the apps you want to close. You can close multiple apps at a time by using a multi-finger swipe up. You can also multitask apps with 2 features, Slide Over and Split View. Slide Over lets you interact with the second app without leaving the app you're currently using. While working in one app, you can access Slide Over with a 1-finger swipe from the far right edge. It will automatically default to the last app viewed in Slide Over. To switch apps, simply swipe down from the top right to see the app list and tap on one to open it. If you need more room to work, use Split View to divide the screen evenly between 2 apps. Drag the divider to the left to maximize your workspace. Once you're done multitasking, drag the divider from the left to right to close it.
If you're having to access the same website frequently, perhaps a teacher's class website or an online textbook, you may want to create a home screen shortcut. To do this, open Safari and navigate to the website. Tap the Share button at the top and select Add to Home Screen. You can rename the shortcut to something recognizable and then tap Add. Now it will appear as an app icon. Simply tap it to access the website again.
Thank you for watching EmPOWER, Getting Started with the iPad. We hope these tips and tricks will help you more effectively use your iPad.